Cowboy everyone. Welcome to Learn Yoruba with me, episode 9. And last week I had to go off week because I was really busy with some things, but I'm back now and I figured back to school season, let us learn about things in school, right? Common things we find in our classrooms. So let's try and follow along with me and comment below if you have any questions along the way, and I'll try to answer and address those questions you have. So first, our classroom is called Yara Ikeko, room of learning, or classy. Then we have ilekun, door. We have ferese, window. Then we have our notebook, iwe ikowe. Our tabili, our desk. Then we have aga, chair. Right? So ferese, ilekun, iwe ikowe, tabili, and aga. Look at the accent marks and let us try to follow along. Then we have who is in the classroom, right? We have our oluko, the teacher. We have our akeko, obìnrin, female student. Akeko, ọkùnrin, male student. And we have our akpo. Akpo is bag in Yoruba. So oluko, akpo, akeko, ọkùnrin, and obìnrin. Again, look at the accent marks to try to help when you pronounce these words. So after we look at who is in the classroom, we look at what subjects, right? So we have Ishiro, mathematics, Itan Akole, Itan Akole, history. Then we have Ijuwe Akosile, literature, and Eko Nípa Ilé Ayé, geography. Then we also have Mapu Agbaye, globe. This is a little fun thing I also was learning what subjects are in Yoruba. So again, comment below if you have any questions or are confused as to how to say these and what they actually mean. Let's move on from there. So mathematics, literature, etc. Then we have miscellaneous things in school, right? We have omo ileko, so school children. Omo is children. Then we have onje osan. Onje is food. Osan is afternoon. So food of the afternoon, lunchtime. Then we have Ishe Ile Iwe, homework, which is like what we all hate, right? So Ishe Ile Iwe, homework. Onje Osan, Omo Ile Eko, Ishe Ile Iwe. Let's try to memorize these using the accent marks. Whether you are in elementary, middle school, high school, or university, please stay safe. Right? We have this thing going on called COVID-19. I'm sure you all know. Please stay safe. Eshora, be careful. Kebo enui ati imu, cover your mouth and nose. So until next Wednesday, please subscribe, like, comment, and odabo.